Sa napakatagal na panahon ay nagpaunlak nga ang aktres na si Herlin Bautista sa isang interview ni Aster Amoyo kung saan ay ibinahagi niya ang ilang detalye sa hiwalayan nila ng kanyang asawa na si Romnick Sarmiento. Isa sa tinitingala noon ang pagsasama nila Herlin at Romnick mula nang sila ay kasal dahil talaga namang naging maganda silang ehemplong mag-asawa, not until na nagulat ang mga netizen na naghiwalay din ang dalawa. Mula sa naging interview ni Aster, tinanong nito na 19 years kayong magkasama, bakit nauwi sa hiwalayan? Sumagot si Herlin at sinabi niyang it wasn't really a falling out of love. Pero siguro hindi na kami pareho ng direksyon. Over the years, we tried to make it work. Hindi ko masabing hindi kami nagkakaintindihan kasi hindi naman kami nag-aaway. Minsan naiisip ko pa nga sana nag-away na lang kami o may third party para mas madaling maintindihan, pero siguro hindi na lang talaga pareho ang say naman ni Herlin. Samantala, narito ang patuloy na tanong ni Aster. How did you handle the breakup? Sagot ni Herlin, mahirap kasi ako yung nakipaghiwalay. Hanggat hindi nila alam ang buong kwento, hindi nila maiintindihan. At kahit malaman nila, hindi ko rin alam kung maiintindihan nila talaga. Pero alam ko, hindi rin sila magiging masaya kung kami pa rin kahit hindi na maayos. Tanong ni Aster, iniyakan mo ba ang paghihiwalay? Say ni Herlin, oo, para akong namatayan. Grabe pa ang iyak ko. Kahit ako ang nakipaghiwalay. I tried to nurture the relationship. Ginawa ko ang lahat. Now annulled for nearly 2 years. Herlin holds no regrets. She prays that one day, her children will understand her choice. And even if they don't, she leaves it all in God's hands. Now Romnick Sarmiento is married to Barbara Ruaro, and they are blessed with one child. Herlin Bautista is happy with her partner Federico Moreno, and they've been together for almost 4 years now. Herlin's story reminds us that not all separations are born from anger. Some come from years of quiet disconnection. To couples thinking of separating, pause. Pray, seek help. Sometimes healing begins when you both choose to stay and fight for each other, not against each other. Ito po ay binahagi din ng Facebook page na si Albert Monterona. Yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.